एवरीवन, व्हाट्स अप एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो। आज के वीडियो में मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ माय कर्ली हेयर रूटीन, जो काफी ज्यादा रिक्वेस्टेड था और काफी चीजें चेंज भी हुई है दैट आई वांटेड टू शेयर विद यू गाइस। सो या, विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। The first step in my curly hair routine is always oiling or prepping my hair, and for that I like to use these two hair oils. The first one is Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil. ये ऑयल मैं अपने रूट्स पे लगाना पसंद करती हूँ। इसका एप्लीकेटर भी काफी अच्छा है जो प्रॉपरली रूट्स पे ऑयल डिस्पर्स करता है। सो अच्छे से सारा स्कैल्प कवर करना है। डोंट फॉरगेट द बैक ऑफ योर हेड एंड अच्छे से मसाज भी करना है। मसाज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू इंक्रीज द ब्लड फ्लो एंड हेयर ग्रोथ में भी काफी ज्यादा हेल्प होती है। दिस ऑयल हैज रियली गुड इंग्रेडिएंट्स लाइक रोजमेरी ऑयल, ब्रह्मी, आंवला, भृंगराज, and it helps with dandruff issues, hair fall issues, helps with thicker, fuller hair, and I personally have seen a huge difference in hair fall after I started using this oil, so I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. As I said, ये सिर्फ मैं roots पे लगाती हूँ। लेंस पे मैं एक दूसरा ऑयल लगाती हूँ which is this one by Curl Up, is their Curl Nourishing Hair Oil. ये एक स्प्रे एप्लीकेटर में आता है, so again very easy to apply it or spray it on the length of my hair. इसके भी अगर आप ingredient पढ़ोगे तो काफी अच्छे mix of good hair oils like argan oil, hemp seed oil that helps reduce dryness and add shine to curly hair. After applying hair oil, I always like to detangle my hair. उसके लिए आप एक wooden white tooth comb use कर सकते हो या फिर एक wet detangler, whichever works for you. I like to use the wet detangler. Always start detangling from the bottom and work your way towards the top. आप sections भी create कर सकते हो. Oiling your hair makes the detangling process easy. एक slip provide करता है and it also nourishes the lens. Also, pre-detangling your hair saves a lot of time while you're in the shower because that just takes seconds. आप देख ही सकते हो काफी कम हेयर फॉल हुआ है। Once you're done with the oiling, put all your hair up and secure it in a big claw clip. I'm gonna let this sit for 1 or 2 hours and then head to the shower. Today I really want to deep clean my scalp. For that I'll be using Bare Anatomy Cleansing Scalp Scrub. इसका टेक्सचर आप देख सकते हो. It has small sugar granules and AHA extracts that deeply cleanses your scalp. It removes product, pollution and oil buildup. This is great if you have flaky scalp like mine or if you have mild dandruff issues. आप देख ही सकते हो कितना यूज किया है मैंने. ऑलमोस्ट खत्म ही हो चुका है. I'm definitely gonna repurchase this. इसे यूज करना भी काफी इजी. आप देख ही सकते हो वीडियो में. You just have to apply this on your scalp. So create sections, apply it on your scalp and just massage it in nicely. Don't forget the back. वहाँ पर भी अच्छे से लगा के मसाज करना. Cover all your scalp and massage this product in nicely. At least 1 minute proper massage करना अपने scalp का. And then just wash it off. बहुत easily निकल भी जाता है and your scalp is gonna feel so clean. And it also has a nice cooling sensation on your scalp. Moving on to shampoo, the one that I'm using currently is this one by L'Oreal. It's their Absolute Repair shampoo. काफी अच्छा shampoo है. It really cleans your scalp without over drying it. That's exactly what I like. Almost पूरा 2024 मैंने Bee Blunt Intense Moisture shampoo use किया है. I've literally finished that big bottle. So I really didn't want to use the same exact thing in 2025 as well. I wanted to change, use something else, and this is what I've been using currently. Bee Blunt वाला shampoo भी काफी अच्छा है. If you're interested, you can definitely check that out as well. I always use this shampoo brush to deep clean my scalp. आपका fingers उतना scalp तक नहीं पहुंच पाता है, but this one really gets it in and gives me a nice clean slate to work with. Also, it has rubber teeth which is very soft, so it's not gonna hurt your scalp. Don't worry. Wash it off nicely. For conditioner, lately I've been using the Squashcoff Bonacure conditioner. काफी अच्छा है, but I do feel the slip is a little less. So yeah. But today we are gonna skip the conditioner and move to deep condition directly. For that, I'll be using the L'Oreal Metal DX Professional Mask. Such a great mask. Definitely one of my favorites, and I love the results I get after using this. This is also a great deep conditioner if you want to repair any heat damage. अभी मैंने थोड़े हफ्ते पहले स्ट्रेटनिंग किया था, so I really want to repair that heat damage and this works beautifully. डीप कंडीशनर्स या कंडीशनर्स रूट्स पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाना होता है. अप्लाई इट ओनली ऑन द लेंस, मसाज इट इन नाइसली एंड देन डिटेंगल योर हेयर. कंडीशनर्स या डीप कंडीशनर्स गिव सच ग्रेट स्लिप, सो डिटेंगलिंग बिकम्स अ ब्रीज. और इसके पहले भी मैंने डिटेंगल किया था, सो या इट्स गोना बी वेरी इजी एंड क्विक. उसके बाद आई एम गोना लेट दिस सिट फॉर एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट्स. तब तक आप शेव कर सकते हो, जो भी आपको काम करना हो कर सकते हो. आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स वॉश इट ऑफ. योर हेयर इज गोना फील सो सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर स्टाइलिंग योर हेयर. And one major change in my styling routine is the brush that I use to style my hair. Now, if you look closely, it has a long, soft bristle and short pore bristle that really gets out all the knots and smooths the hair. The sides create sections and I love the way my hair looks after using this brush. Using the tail comb side, I'm gonna create a zigzag pattern on the top. This really helps if you don't want an evident middle part, and it gives volume as well. For styler, first I'll be using the L'Oreal Hydra Filling Night Cream. You guys know I love this one. I've been using this since 2024. Already इसके multiple bottles में खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. This is again a new one that I bought, but I'm planning to use something else in 2025. Switching out, trying something new. Mostly तो Curl Up का leave-in conditioner I'm gonna use. You saw the amount of product I use, not a lot, just a little, applying it all over the length of my hair. Following it up with a mousse, and the one that I'm using currently is Squash Fof Extreme Hold Mousse. I love this one as well. अच्छे से लगाना है all over the lens, and make sure you do not use a lot of it, and don't apply it on the roots. This gives a nice hold as well, which I love. These are all the products I like to use. Now let's style it. I'm gonna first section the top off. मैं सिर्फ 2 sections create करती हूँ. Then take a 2-inch thick section, brush it off nicely, and then add a little bit of tension as you see me doing in the video, and twist so it creates the sections. Shake it a little and let it be. Now I'm gonna repeat the same thing all over the bottom section. I do feel water quality also plays a huge role in the way your curls look, and also for hair fall. I've lived in Bangalore for a few months, and वहाँ पर hard water होता था, तो curls भी थोड़े limp होते थे, frizzy होते थे. But as soon as you start using water under 100 TDS, curls में भी काफी ज़्यादा difference आता है. I don't know, that is something that I have noticed personally. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Once I'm done with one section, now you can totally let it be, but I like to create more sections using my fingers. मुझे वो clumped up look नहीं पसंद है. After it dries, it just takes so much more time to separate the curls, so I just do it before and scrunch it in nicely. And please be very gentle during this step. You don't want to create more frizz. Once both the bottom sections are done, let's move on to the top. Now again, taking a 2-inch section, this I like to do it up and away from my face. Adds a bunch of volume, और उसके बाद जो zigzag pattern मैंने create किया है, I'm just gonna follow that. And for front section, again up and away from my face. For final step, again I'm just gonna shake it up nicely, create more sections, scrunch, and that's it. That's exactly how your hair should look like. No frizz whatsoever, nice and defined. And lastly, I'm gonna use a microfiber towel. Do not use a normal towel. Just put your hair upside down and wrap that towel around. I'm gonna let this sit for 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna air dry my hair 100%, and I'll be back once it's dry. A pro tip, if you don't want back acne, always wash your body after you're done your styling routine. And these are the final results. My curls are popping, my roots have volume, the curls are looking super defined, moisturized, shiny, exactly how I like it. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Also, Amazon Ultimate Brand Sale Color Splash starts from 1st to 9th March. Now is the great time to avail great discount on top brands. So yeah, definitely get the shopping done now. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.